Well, hello there. Happy 2021 to everyone out there. So here's my first break for 2021. I actually apparently had the box that was delivered sometime within the last 2 weeks, but I was kind of just sitting on the boxes thinking it was just another old package for something I had ordered through Tops, not something that was new. So I just had it stacked up for my mail video that I was going to be doing today. But I decided to open up the stuff just to see what was through it, kind of pre-open everything, just making sure everything is organized, pull out anything that has my name on it. When lo and behold, boom, this was in one of the packages. So it's like, cool, I can do my Bowman best, because I was thinking I wasn't going to see this till next week. So yeah, so here we are, Bowman's Best Baseball. And this will be the first year since its relaunch, since they brought it back, that I have not purchased a case of it. So all I've got this time is just one master box. So as you've probably seen in other videos, there are 4 autographs, 2 per mini box. But that concludes that whole rundown, and I'll probably show just real quick once I get the big box opened and get the 2 mini boxes out here, that you do have certain odds. Looks like that's a no purchase necessary. So there's your odds for everything that's available. Superfractors are really tough, like always. And then on there, if you're interested in sending in a card, sending in for a card, there's your information, your NPN. So yeah, and this year they didn't even wrap the mini boxes. All they do is just have I don't know what is written on there for the little seal, but maybe I'll peel one off just to see if I can read what it says. Well, it doesn't say really anything. It's just a bunch of little polka dots, looks like. So nothing fancy there. Thought maybe they might have got creative and had like Tops or the Bowman logo or something. So yeah, between this and Heritage High Number, these are the last 2 releases of 2020 for Tops for baseball, before it all kicks off again in, I want to say it's February when Series 1 comes out. But there probably is something else. There's probably like, what do you call it? Oh, the Signature Series. It's just a slabbed autograph card. So we start off with a Patrick Bailey, Bobby Bradley, AJ Puck rookie. Well, that's kind of a cool looking franchise favorite, Robert Hassel of the Padres. Padres really making a mad dash here in the off season to really bolster their lineup coming into the oncoming season. And you got a Kristen Pache. I mean, to get Blake Snell, to get Yu Darvish on your pitching staff, when you already have so much offensive firepower with Grisham, Tatis, Machado, Adbert Ozole. Speaking of Machado, there's Machado, Joey Votto. It's kind of cool looking. That's a thicker one. What is this? Oh, it's our first auto. So Joey Votto is not numbered. And then a Shogo Akayama for the Reds refractor. And then for the Padres, Robert Hassel autograph. Looks like just a base auto. Yep, base auto. So far, it's acting like a Padres Hassel box. Next pack, got a Nico Horner. Looks like got a purple refractor. Yeah, purple refractor. Anthony Rizzo, Eddie Rosario, atomic refractor, but it's not even labeled refractor on the back, but that is definitely an atomic. Albert Pujols, Rizzo, and a Rhys Hoskins. Purple. And it should be numbered, and it is. Right there by his feet. 184 of 250. And I'm going to sleeve up that atomic of Eddie Rosario. Get into the next pack. Ed Howard for the Cubs. Must be a prospect. Yep. Aquino for the Reds. Another good rookie from last year, Trent Grisham. A Brennan McKay, franchise favorite, with the retro Bowman best design. And Blake Snell, refractor. Again, like I said, it's just interesting that Tampa Bay let Snell walk. I say that, I mean they traded him, but still. And I'm going to guess this is probably my second auto in this mini box, which it looks like it is. So I'm going to set that there real quick and we'll jump into the last pack. We got one of the die cuts here. Buster Posey, Max Meyer, Austin Reddick, got a Jorge Soler refractor, and our franchise 2020 is Aquino. And it's kind of like black and white image. But I remember when they used to do those for football, the franchise 2000. So here we go. Last pack of the first mini box. Got the Andrew Vaughn. Yeah, he's prospect. Christian Yelich. Power producer Bryce Harper. A Mike Trout. This has got a lot of color, so I'm not sure. Oh, Giants. Mauricio Dubon for the San Francisco Giants. And again, looks like a base auto. So that's the first mini box. Get here into the second one. Check, see, nothing inside. It's all out. And assuming that it holds the same thing, that should be the auto. That should be the auto. So get in here into the mini box number 2. Dan Vogelbach now on the Brewers. Rhys Hoskins. A Joe Adell. That's a nice looking one. Franchise favorite Ken Griffey Jr. And a Josh Bell refractor. Yeah, I should have waited on sleeving all of those. Just sleeve the autograph because I meant to grab more sleeves to bring to my table. Graterol, Garrett Crochet. Those are cool. The retro Bowman design from, what was it, 2012, 2013. But designated hitter, outfielder, Setsugo. And they got a Gavin Lux, franchise 2020. And then a Jordan Yamamoto refractor. Next pack. Got a nice Casey Mize. Yeah, they still have him as a prospect, even though he started or played last season in the shortened season. Another Pujols. Another Blake Snell. Ooh, and Ronald Acuna. That's not numbered, but the thing is, it looks like it should be. But apparently it follows the team colors there on those. Nick Solak, rookie. Refractor. Die cut. Another Yotsi Setsugo. Jorge Soler. That looks like we got a green. Jorge Alfaro, 19 of 99. Bo Bichette, franchise 2020. And an Adley Rutschman for the Orioles refractor. Prospect refractor. So that's cool on the Bichette. So these both should be my autos. This is the first one. So we'll pull the one from the back. Refractor is Bryce Harper. So got two different refractor Harpers. Sean Murphy, Christian Pache, the Shogo Akayama, and then our first auto in our second mini box. It's a rookie of Jalen Davis for the Giants. So that makes two Giants autographs in this box. So does that mean that this is going to be another autograph from the Padres? So I got a Nick Gonzalez refractor, prospect refractor, a Justin Dunn rookie for the Mariners, Mike Trout again, power producer insert of Nolan Arenado, and is this another, no, this is Oakland, numbered to 150, Liriano, 130 of 150. And that's a really clean autograph on that compared to everybody else's. So that must be a blue. So again, we'll do a quick recap. Like I say, these aren't sleeves, so kind of handle them as careful as I can. You got the Ramon Liriano, 130 of 150, blue refractor auto. And I got a Jalen Davis base autograph for the Giants. A Mauricio Dubon base autograph for the Giants. And then the last autograph, where'd he go? Is the Robert Hassel for the Padres. And he's a prospect. And then for my parallels, you got the Rhys Hoskins purple to 250, 184 250. The Jorge Alfaro 19 of 99 green. And I got quite a few of the franchise favorites. Looks like I got 4 total of those. Got the Ken Griffey Jr., Blake Snell, or sorry, Brendan McKay, not Blake Snell. Robert Hassel, which is what I got the autograph of, and then a Ronald Acuna Jr. And then for the franchise 2020 die cuts, you got 3 of those. Got the Bo Bichette, the Aquino, and the Gavin Lux. And then, even though it's not numbered, the Atomic Refractor of Eddie Rosario. And finally, looks like one per master box, maybe. The Satsugo for the Rays. Retro with the team, or the player's home state, country flag. Because I would assume if it's U.S., it's possibly the state flag as opposed to just the United States Stars and Stripes. But yeah, clean looking card though. Yeah, there's a little dust there, but for the most part, no print lines, no damage to it. So yeah, that concludes this break of 2020 Topps Bowman's Best Baseball. So hope you liked this video, and if you did, feel free to like it, leave some notes, put a comment, suggestions, what have you. But anyway, have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.